Here's the factory live shooting of self-propelled scissor lifts again today. Hope those who are interested in this equipment will enjoy it. We'll test the uphill and downhill capabilities of this equipment. It has a 25% gradability, climbing capacity, and can climb slopes smoothly. Only one person is needed. All movements are controlled by the operation handles on the work table, and the motor features stepless speed regulation. It can effectively extend the service life of the battery and motor. The motor only consumes energy during operation. Here we demonstrate the lifting and lowering capabilities. This equipment is configured with an 8-meter specification, so the working height is limited to 8 meters. It can continuously perform lifting, moving forward, backward, steering, etc. during aerial work. Compared with traditional hydraulic platforms, the work efficiency is greatly improved. The pedal extension platform can quickly spread to the working point, expanding the working range to meet the special needs of some users. So, is there anything else you'd like to know about this equipment? Feel free to leave your comments in the comments section. I will reply to all the comments I see.